Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix the keyboard not connecting to your XIAOMI Pad 8 Pro. So as you can see here, I have got my keyboard currently plugged into my device. Let me quickly remove it, and as you can see here they have our keyboard and here they have our tablet. So if you can't connect your keyboard to your tablet, first thing, clean this pad here. You need to take yourself some, here, microfiber cloth or just soft cloth, and clean these things, 3 pads over here. Same over here. Here, not pads, but pins. You need to delicately, but very, very delicately, without strength, clean them. Here, microfiber cloth, soft cloth, dry cloth is recommended. Now, try to plug it into your device. It should work. Wait a moment, let me test. Here, space. As you can see, it works. A moment. Yes, it works. Okay. If your keyboard still doesn't work, you need to know here. Click and hold power and volume up button. Click. You need to drag this white circle to the reboot, and now your device will be rebooted. And after the reboot, everything should be working fine. If it isn't, you need to contact device support to have it repaired. Goodbye.